guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Star Leah here. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. So I'm super excited to be doing this video. Kind of been holding a secret from you guys. I am moving, you guys, so that's what this video is. If you haven't read by the title or know by the title, this is going to be a haul video. So I have a lot of stuff and I'm still not done, you guys. So with the quarantine going on, a lot of stores are closed, so a lot of stuff that I still want to get, I'm not able to get because I'm that person, like, I like to go in stores and I like to look. So it is what it is, you guys. It's just a praying time and just trying to stay mentally stable with being inside and trying to get outdoors. But I have a lot of stuff that I was like, I could do a haul. So I'm gonna just jump right into the video and get started. And I still have some of this stuff in bags, so of course I'm gonna be rattling. First thing I want to show you all is this globe. It is super cute. Super cute. And I got this from Ross for $6.99. Probably want to put this on my desk. I am gonna have a desk in my new apartment, so I thought it was a cute piece. And by the way, kind of like for my apartment, for the most part, I was kind of going with like a modern, not all the way farmhouse, but kind of like modern farmhouse. Just like trying to keep it neutral and trying to do like a lot of earth tone colors. But for some things it is a little dramatic with the colors, so it's not completely earth tone, but you guys will see in future videos. Next I have this tasty cupcake pan, and you guys, I really love cooking, I really love baking. This thing was $5 on clearance at Walmart, so had to pick it up. I also got this baking pan from Ross. This was $6.99, and I know, you guys, that it says that it's like a cookie sheet pan, but you guys, this is like a huge baking pan. Like I could put like veggies up here or french fries and then like some veggie chip patties or something. So it's like a really huge pan where I could like put everything on one pan. Because you guys, if you all haven't noticed by now or don't know, I hate doing dishes. I hate doing dishes with a passion. So if I can minimalize my dishes, we doing something. Another pan, kind of guilty by buying this. I honestly bought this just because, oh my god, the light isn't picking it up. So you guys, I honestly just bought this pan just because it was cute. It's kind of like marble a little bit. It has like little black specks up there and it's white. And this pan was $4.99. So when I saw the price, I was like, I don't feel too guilty about spending $5 on another pan that I'm sure I'm gonna use. But I probably will use this one to like bake cookies or something, just because it's cute, or just to put out, like put food on top of. It's just cute. So I bought these kitchen towels because I need kitchen towels, but also I was thinking, do I want to hang like this? Hold on, I got another one. Okay, so I saw these in Walmart. It says, but first coffee. And I really like these towels. So I was like, do I kind of want to do this? Do I kind of not? Even if I don't, you can always use kitchen towels. So I do have some more kitchen stuff, but I'm kind of gonna like hop all over the place, honestly, just because like it keeps the video interesting and you guys don't know what to expect next. So I got 2 shower hooks. I am gonna have 2 bathrooms, so I chose to get these shower hooks. Like this one in bronze, I think. Yeah, bronze. This one is a bronze finish and this one is a chrome finish. And I like these shower hooks because, you guys, they have like the double pieces. So if you put like the shower liner on one hook and then the regular curtain on the other hook, when you change your shower liners, you don't have to take like the entire hook down. I don't know if anybody else get like aggravated and annoyed by that, but that was the reason I chose to get these hooks. And this is what they look like again. See, you could put the regular shower curtain and then the shower liner up there. So got 2 of those. I think this is actually a kitchen thing. I know my sister and I had went to Walmart and we got these together. They were on a clearance rack, and it's like a salt and pepper shaker. There we go. It was $2. That's registering really well. So it has like S for salt, and then the other one has a P up there. But they're really cute salt and pepper shakers. Not for sure if I'm going to use them, but they're really cute, like decor pieces that you can put on the table or the bar. Then one thing I do like about the apartment is that I'm kind of going to have like a glass cabinet. So like one of the cabinets are like have a glass door. So I did get a white plate, the small plate, and I think I got a large one. Yep. So here's the large one. I was thinking about doing something like this on one of the shelves, and yep, got a mug too. So I'll show you guys the mug. So I don't know if I'm gonna do like this or like set the mug on a different shelf. You guys, my sister is the interior designer. I only have the ideas. She puts it together and make it make sense. So I just got these for like decor purposes. Next, I did get some more white curtains. If you all seen my apartment tour, the minimalistic apartment tour, you guys, from that video you all should know that I kind of like white curtains. I like for a lot of light to come into the apartment or places, and I feel like sometimes when you incorporate white curtains or just like white decor, it just brightens up the place. So got these white curtains, and these are 4 panels, you guys. Like, who sells 4 panels in a pack together? And I like them. These are like my favorite types of curtains. I love the rings, and I got this from Ollie's. The price is not up here, but I remember the price because it was a steal. These 4 panels were like $17.99, less than $20, no lie. Like, and it tells you that it decorates 2 windows, and they're 37" by 84". So they're pretty long, and I actually kind of like this little setup that they have in the picture, like that. Really like that. So really excited about these curtains, and it doesn't even look like we're gonna have to iron them because they got a little few wrinkles, but it ain't too bad. Actually, for the price, you guys, I don't know if you all saw it. Yep, $17.99 at Ollie's. Like, who would have ever known? I got some more bag clips for like chips, or even some of like, sometimes, I don't know if anybody run across this issue, but sometimes when you buy cheeses from the grocery store, the bag does not zip all the way, or you can't pinch it back, or the ziplock part of the bag doesn't work. So sometimes I put clips on them, and then for chips or like frozen foods with the bag don't close, clips. I really love these clips, and they came from Walmart. Also, another item I got, you guys, I actually picked up my sister one of these, and this little throw blanket, I'm not for sure if I would use it for like any decor, but I love blankets, I love cozy stuff, and you guys, I'm getting ready to be a graduate, so even though we're not having graduation, I'm still getting that degree, you know. So got this, and by the way, my sister did graduate from ECU as well, and I picked her up one too so we could have matching blankets. And oh my god, hold on, we actually have another one that looks like this that we both use like all the time. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. And my mom got us this for Christmas one year. So, and at the bottom it has like East Carolina up there. Not sure if you all can see that well, but this is kind of like me and my sister's go-to blanket. So we always have like matching blankets or like matching ECU stuff because, I don't know, we love blankets. So I also had the chance to go to like At Home like a month or so ago, and I was really shopping for someone else, but I did get some coasters. These are like super heavy, and they're like marble. And I think they were $10 for 4, $9.99, $10 for 4, and they're very heavyweight. And I got the C for my last name, so really like these. And I definitely had paper to wrap these up because they could break something and they could easily be scratched. Not sure if you all care about this, but I got a plunger and plunger brush. Have to keep that toilet clean, girl, because it's nasty. So this one is actually kind of like in a gray color. I actually have another set coming in bronze. This is like the color it is. And by the way, I do have a toilet brush and a toilet plunger, but I think it is, and this is just my personal opinion, I think it's kind of nasty to like travel with that stuff. And I'm like, I sacrificed the $20 and buy a whole nother set because I'm not traveling with a plunger and a toilet brush down the road. Not happening. These are similar to the mats that I already have, where I know the other one is, but I got another gray bath mat from Walmart, and this one is going to go by the sink. And I like it. It's like super soft. Let's see. It's very soft. I can't remember how much this mat was, but you can go online and just put in Better Home & Gardens bath rug, thick and plush, and you will find it. It actually comes in different colors as well. I currently have this one in my bathroom, and this is kind of like the shower mat. And you guys, this is really soft as well, and I like it because like it really like soaks up the water. Like the water don't like sit on the mat, and it is memory foam, and it's just so comfy. Also by Better Homes and Gardens, and I do believe that this one was like $17. And because it was $17, scaled back on the mats that I got for the second bathroom, but they're still nice and they're memory foam. So Walmart does have like sets like this entire set, you guys, was $20. So I pretty much got this whole set for the price of one of the gray mats that I got. The only thing I dislike is the shower curtain. I hate the shower curtain, but I haven't been able to find a shower curtain that I like. So I think for now, I'm probably just gonna use this until I find something that I like better. And I might just be cheap, and even if I don't like it, just keep it up, which is fine. I'm gonna keep these hooks just in case, but I already bought the other hooks where I could like do the liner and the curtain at the same time. It comes with two mats as well, so this is the sink one, I'm guessing, and then the large one for the shower, or vice versa. Okay, the larger one is for the shower and the shorter one is for the sink, I believe. I don't know, but we'll see, because sometimes when they measure out these mats, they don't quite go for every single bathroom. So whichever one looks better is the one that we're gonna do. Now I have some stuff from Kirkland's. So I had my sister in Kirkland's, or she had me in Kirkland's. We were in Kirkland's together for a very long time. And this is really a decor item, and I really love it because I have seen like a lot of people on YouTube and Pinterest using like wooden boards for like decor in the kitchen. And I thought it was really cute. So I got this one that says welcome. And it's really cute. And I got this for, it says $10.99, but mine was actually cheaper than that because I had like a birthday gift. So I got like 20% off of everything I got in Kirkland's that day. You guys, I'm not for sure what's going on with my light, so give me a second. So I also got this shower curtain, you guys. It came from Tuesday Morning. It was $12.99. Actually had this shower curtain before. Got it from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. So Tuesday Morning gets some of the same things that those stores get as well. And yeah, like the shower curtains. So I have some more fun things from Kirkland's. I actually picked this up in Kirkland's, but just because some of this stuff was so fragile, I asked for a box. Oh, I forgot I got this. That's what happens, you guys, when you buy stuff and you're moving, you forget you bought certain things. Oh, so this was supposed to go on my desk, and it's like to do. I'm that person that writes like a lot of notes all the time. So like every single day when I get up, I write like a to-do list of what I want to do today, what I need to do today, and like, yeah, my little side notes. So I like that this could clip, so I could kind of like lay it on my desk and like clip my notes up there, and like kind of want to make this portable because it does have like this kind of like a picture frame, so you don't necessarily have to put it on the wall, but if you want to put it on the wall, you can. This actually came from Hobby Lobby. It was less than $10, I believe. Also went to Dollar Tree and got myself another one of these maps of the USA. I like to have these maps, so every time I visit a state, I like to put like a sticker up there, so like, oh, I've been there, so I get excited, because it is one of my goals to like eventually visit all 50 states. It's $1 at Dollar Tree, if you guys are wondering. Part of my birthday gift was this candle from Kirkland's. It's birthday cake scent. I'm not for sure if I really like it or it's like up my alley. I normally go for mints, like eucalyptus for like smells, but Pretty Decor is white or vanilla, so. And more bubble wrap. Okay, so I had so much bubble wrap in here, you guys, because I'm gonna put this box down because I don't want to drop this. And I'm not even for sure if you all are gonna be able to see this. I'm so nervous. So nervous. This is an hourglass. It's really big, and oh my, I kind of don't want to unwrap it, but I want you all to see it because it's so cute. All right. Okay. I'm gonna have to put it back in, but not for sure where this is going yet, but I thought it was super cute, and it does go down. And I did get this for $20, but I know it was less than $20 because my birthday gift was 20% off my entire purchase. I always try to buy stuff on a budget. I'm very conservative with my money. I do not like to spend a bunch of money on certain things. Okay, you guys, 1 second.